Hello, I hope you are having a good day. My name is Hanzala Jafar, and I am the group leader of the major project for the final year computer department. So, the topic for our group project is Bleep, a digital town square on blockchain. So, the purpose of our project was to develop a blockchain application to study and understand the blockchain technology. Before starting with the project, we had done a formal literature review where we studied the existing social media applications on blockchain, and we had read the research papers related to it. This is the list of the research papers that we had studied. This is the diagram for the architecture of the schema application. So what exactly is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger which stores which can store transactions and other type of data. So blockchain was first introduced in the paper in 2008 by a person with the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The first blockchain was made for the Bitcoin, and it was a proof of work. It worked on the proof of work consensus algorithm. So you can see a single block here in this diagram. A single block stores the hash of the previous block, thus forming a chain, and thereby the name blockchain. So now in the existing system, we have various social media applications which are owned by multi-billion dollar companies. These companies' business revolves around storing the data of the users in their centralized servers, and they perhaps sometimes sell this data to data brokers and earn money from that. So this is a very important issue because the data of the users is very private and sometimes confidential. So this issue is resolved using blockchain because blockchain is a decentralized storage system. There is no central there is no central power by a person uh, who who has the responsibility of maintaining data of the users. This is the use case diagram of the application of our application. And this is the Gantt chart which shows the timeline that we have followed to develop this entire application. This is the list of the technologies that we have used. We have used the Ethereum blockchain platform uh, to deploy the smart contract. So what exactly is a smart contract? A smart contract is is basically a program which stores the business logic in the blockchain. So we can program the smart contracts using various languages. Solidity is one such language, and we have used this language, and we have used MetaMask to connect the browser to the blockchain. We have used the web3.js, which is a JavaScript library to get some to get certain functions to connect the blockchain with our browser. We have used the front-end library of JavaScript called React.js to handle the components conveniently, and we had used the Truffle framework to compile the Solidity code, and we had used the Ganache personal blockchain for testing purposes, and eventually we had deployed the smart contract on the blockchain using the third web framework. So this is the screenshot of our application, which I'll be showing you in a minute. And we have also submitted a research paper in the IJRAR journal, which is a UGC approved journal. This is the approval letter of our application. So now I'll be showing you the code in the VS Code. This is our source code. I'll be opening the terminal and going into the client directory. I will type npm run dev. So this will give me a link for the local site. I'll paste this into the browser. It will take some time to load. Still loading. Yep. So this is the home page of our application. Now this is running on our local machine and we have already deployed this application on Netlify. So if I open another tab and type bleep.rcv.netlify.app and press enter, so you can see the same application is there on the internet, already deployed on the internet. So here, first I'll show you the UI. This is the first home page or the landing page. This is basically a dashboard showing all the uploaded campaigns on our application. So each of the campaigns is shown using this card, where some brief data is shown about each campaign. One more thing is that since we are using blockchain, we don't have to develop a separate module for login and sign up. With MetaMask, we can directly connect it. So I'll show you how. If we click on this connect button, okay, so first you have to enter the password of MetaMask. And you can see we have connected using MetaMask, directly using MetaMask, using this account with the dummy name Alice. This is the public address of Alice. So on this dashboard page, you'll see all the campaigns, and in this profile page, you'll see the campaigns which is owned by this user. And if you click on a particular campaign, you can see the campaign details elaborately. This is a certain picture. You will click on this campaign. This is the NASA Artemis 2 mission campaign. This shows the number of days which are left for this campaign and the amount of Ethereum which are raised and the total number of donators which are there. This is the owner this is the public address of the owner, and this is the story uploaded by the owner. And this will show your it will show the list of the donators who have donated to this campaign. And we can fund this campaign using this card. We can just put the number of ethers that we want to fund and we can click on this button. So let's say I want to fund 0.001 ETH. So I'll click on fund campaign. So we have to confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Okay, so this is the estimated gas fee. Gas fee is basically a transaction fee. Also, since the Ethereum blockchain is paid, we are using the testnet, which is the Goldie testnet. Now I will confirm the transaction. Transaction is still taking place. Okay. So now you can see that the amount that we had funded is shown here, 0.001 ETH. Transaction has successfully occurred. We can also create a new campaign by going to this page, and let's say we want this is my name, Hanzala Jafar. I'll put my name, and let's say we want to make a campaign to end the coronavirus. End the coronavirus. And let's say the story is fund the campaign for the research of vaccines to end the coronavirus. Also, you'll see that we we as a business are not taking any brokerage on the money which is raised on our application. So let's say a campaign if a campaign is generating, let's say, 5 Ethereum, the owner will get 5 Ethereum. We'll not be gaining anything from it. So anyway, so now let's say this campaign needs 2 Ethers, and let's say the end date is, let's say it is yeah, December 31st, 2023. Let's put a good image, coronavirus photo. Just have to paste the image address. Let's take this image by the United Nations. We'll copy the image address and we'll paste it here and we'll submit new campaign. So now, even to create a new campaign, we have to confirm the transaction because when we are creating a campaign, the campaign is getting stored into the blockchain. So to store it there, we have to make a transaction. So let's confirm the transaction. It's still in progress. So let's go on to the home page. It was taking a lot of time for the transaction to take place. Here, so now you can see the campaign that we had posted is stored in the blockchain and we can see it in our homepage. Also, we have used the modern UI approaches to make this application, and we have used the dark mode, and this entire application is responsive, so it can be viewed in any screen. So let's say you want to view it in an iPhone SE, you can view it like this, and you can change the dimensions of the screen. It will still be very much legible. So in the mobile, we have instead of using the sidebar, we have created the hamburger menu like this. Yep, that's it. This is our entire fully functional social media application on blockchain. I would like to thank our guide, Professor Mohammad Junaid sir, throughout the course of this project for his constant guidance. Thank you.